6 essential questions to ask before your hearing aid appointment. Many individuals seek our clinic's expertise after unsatisfactory experiences elsewhere. It's not about us having exclusive hearing aids or mysterious treatments. We simply adhere to a comprehensive and person-centered care approach. This ensures that every patient reaps the full benefits of their devices. So, here are the pivotal questions you should ask before determining where to purchase your next set of hearing aids. Do you follow best practices? Best practices are the cornerstone of a successful hearing aid experience. A comprehensive list of procedures should be performed by your hearing care provider to ensure the best fit and programming of your device. However, claims of following best practices aren't enough. How long are your initial test and consultation appointments? To genuinely understand your unique hearing challenges and preferences, time is needed. If a clinic doesn't offer at least 60 minutes for this initial consultation, they might prioritize efficiency over optimal treatment outcomes. How often will I see my hearing care provider during my hearing aid trial period and afterwards? A typical trial can last 30 to 60 days. If you're only scheduled for one visit during this time, that's a warning sign. Ideally, 5 to 15 pre-scheduled visits within a 30 to 60 day window are preferred, ensuring consistent success with your device. How many hearing aid brands do you dispense? There isn't a one-size-fits-all best hearing aid brand. If a clinic stocks only one brand, it might indicate a sales-driven mindset rather than a patient-centric one. To truly cater to your needs, a clinic should offer options from multiple manufacturers. What's the cost of the initial appointment? Free hearing tests can sometimes signal a sales-focused approach rather than a treatment-centered one. Our clinic doesn't charge for hearing tests but recommends seeing an ENT specialist beforehand. What aftercare and maintenance services do you offer? Like all tech devices, hearing aids need regular care and maintenance. It's crucial to inquire about warranty details, repair procedures, and any other post-purchase services. In conclusion, while the cost of hearing aids is a common concern, it shouldn't be your primary one. Prioritizing quality care will lead to better treatment outcomes. Thanks for watching.